ఐఐటీలో IIITలో బీటెక్ చేయాలనేది మీ డ్రీమా? అయితే ఇది ఇండియాలో ఒకే ఒక యూనివర్సిటీ వల్ల సాధ్యం. అదే జేకే లక్ష్మీపతి యూనివర్సిటీ. ఇప్పుడే సంప్రదించండి.
Money is required only for better living standards. But holistic happiness won't come with money. That is where I am very happy. I asked him 2-3 demands, wish list I have given him. Make Andhra Pradesh a spiritual hub for India. I am prepared to work with you, Guruji. We are working for the last 3 decades. Now I wanted to go 50% greenery in Andhra Pradesh. We are now 31.5%. 50% I want to grow. And also I want to go for natural farming. As on today, we are all eating fertilizers, pesticides food. Totally contamination, adulteration. As a matter of fact, we are eating more fertilizers, chemical fertilizers. This is where, as on today, 20 lakh acres, 20 lakh farmers are cultivating. I want to take it 50 lakh farmers, 50 lakh acres, another 4-5 years. One day, without fertilizer, without pesticide, I wanted to produce food for the global community, for Indian community. That is future. So with all these things, yoga, meditation, pranayam, this is the order of the day. So I am appealing all citizens. Our Honorable Prime Minister is not thinking Vikasit Bharat without spirituality. He wanted to create Vikasit Bharat with spirituality. That is the strength of India. We have to protect. I am thanking Baba Ramdev ji and also our Honorable Prime Minister for giving extraordinary leadership for spirituality. Now, anyway, all media is here. Tomorrow also you will be here. I cannot do what Baba Ramdev ji is doing, but I am practicing for better health. That is where I am doing. Tomorrow I will show you every citizen I am asking now. It is very difficult to convince, but it is a mission approach. Like-minded people has to join together, convince each other, even your family members, your friends, your office, your neighbors. By seeing these children, I am getting hope now. They will be true torch bearers for future. If you do this, these children can do wonders in future. It won't not only helping health and also knowledge, focus, concentration. Our mind is always distracted. Disturbed mind cannot do right things. That is where these children is going to do wonders. What our Baba Ramdev ji and also our Prime Minister is doing, not only for 2047, it is beyond. If we do all these things, I am telling you, another centuries together, India's time. That is going to happen. India will give leadership for the global community forever. That is the strength of Indians. We have to build that. With this, I am thanking Baba Ramdev ji. You are always very affectionate towards me and very kind. Now, I am requesting and also I am asking you, focus some time. We will produce a proof of concept, spiritual Andhra Pradesh. Here I am doing one more thing, Baba Ramdev ji. I am having Sanjeevani project on health. Sanjeevani project, if all of you national media will understand, you know Lashwan in wartime, he was injured and he got unconscious. Then Rama wanted to save him. Then immediately how to save him, some people suggested there, get this Ayurveda medicine, Sanjeevani Bukki. Then where to get it? Then Hanuman such a certain mountain. You don't know that plant. He brought mountain. Then he took that Sanjeevani plant and treated him and saved him. That is where I am working Sanjeevani project. Every health record will be digitalized. I am going to get global knowledge at the doorstep of the patient. We are going to treat him preventive, curative, cost-effective treatment. In that, yoga, meditation, and also pranayama, and also natural food is a part of it. That is where we are working. If I do that, I can reduce the cost of medical care and also provide better cure for everybody. All of us has to keep it in mind. In advanced age, there are medicines. Medicine will cure. At the same time, you are eating pharmaceuticals. It will have side impacts. It will be dangerous. And also God has given, Babaji has told very clearly how now he is 60, 65. But if you see, he is around 10 years or 12 years youngster, body is totally flexible. What all he wanted to command, his body will listen and act. This is an amazing experience. That is where we should not misuse our body. Sometimes operations. What you are doing, you are cutting your body. God has given me beautiful body. We are, because of our actions, we are cutting our body. Either heart operation or cancer operation or some other operations. It is with us how to live healthy, happy, and also wealthy. That is where we wanted to build. That is possible. Holistic approach, spirituality, technology, both has to go together. Technology should not become addiction. Without technology, we cannot lead. So both is very important. That is where I wanted to teach all my party functionaries, and also I want to teach my government officers. I want to teach public also continuously to make Andhra Pradesh as a spiritual hub. With this, thank you. Very nice of you. This is a historical day for me, and also in Undavalli caves. Padmanabha Swami is watching all of us. With this, I am thanking all of you. God bless for all of us. Thank you, one and all.
Honorable Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu Garuji is our mentor, our inspiration, our motivation, and we are seeing the health, wealth, peace, prosperity, spirituality in one person. You are here. And what is your vision for Andhra? ये हम पूरा देश में इस विजन को लेकर के औरों को भी प्रेरणा देंगे, लेकिन फॉर आंध्राज फार्मर्स we will create something different, incredible work through our institution for farmers, for youth. And what is your vision about spiritual land, prosperity with spirituality in Andhra? So we will contribute our total strength, focus, everything. तो आप जो चाहते हैं उसको करेंगे, और आपका इनका सपना है कि कम से कम 3 बड़े प्रोजेक्ट यहाँ पर हो, तो वेलनेस का पूरा वर्ल्ड का हेल्थ वेलनेस, टूरिज्म वेलनेस, स्पिरिचुअल वेलनेस, इंटीग्रेटेड वेलनेस इंस्टीट्यूशन वी विल क्रिएट थ्रू योर ब्लेसिंग हियर. एक दूसरा, एजुकेशन में भी, एजुकेशन फॉर लीडरशिप, education with character, education with discipline,